Wait a minute. Thank you, Frank. Oh, and I buy now, Jai boy. Jagu, non-stop. Give it up for the guys, queen. Thank God it's Friday. When him say if you had a say a muscle, a chair one question the question, see a call a sorry or some. I could share your young coupon. Nedjo mediation, she, yes, I just say, I call your routine. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, horror, not chilling vibe, no, yeah, what panino, near what panino, chilling. Friday, near Jim, Timo Quaba, about Badwam, Ahosepe, Edumedier, so wealth of entertainment, near H. Guo. Ya Badwam, no, dear Fata, when Nino Asumuno. Yamawutibi, Medin de Sandra or Heme Ametiwa. Ajume Nyame Adom entertainment ame ya Ghana for Chimoa.
When you start sending up, where do you go? Or your guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I'm the guy's queen. Ghana's entertainment prophet. Man, say we for some fed you know him. What you use? What be who the guy is? Ghana's entertainment prophet. Sa wo fa we you no. Squaddy. Nyeship back no. Him I read and why me feel why young consum no so ne kwa me starting free Ghana me boshi na matoache Liberia for no eja kwaka so akro ma jewafa Liberia camp o matodin benya sa camp no me ko me Liberia ehwai na wo hwensem a na no etwagu social no eso ya landlord why say wo ne be rap battle Africa fo nyina de omo ho agim na jei ene Liberia for dwumtuni baako a wono nso ewo bi kan etreye oga afa bekasa betia Nigeria for no bra bekasa me eti nia oka eni os trending Liberian hip hop rapper Mr. Church sani friend no nipa no ka friend Mr. Church or say has something to say about the ongoing saga in Nigeria saga or say saga there is up there you get it if you don't get it forget about it. Sakwadia is up there. He has been there for more than a decade. Frank Bombo sana makenkai. Kenkai. Bombo sana matwaso. You know who Bombo? Debi ameka. Ya na muka say easy. And easy. Say easy. Ya me her sister Sandy me so my chem decade honum. 13 years as an entertainment journalist. And easy. It is out of fear na mo de afi na mo baba na ya na mo say wo betimi ni obedi akampiti we twam decade kan hobby him. He didn't just do it for himself. Listen up. He raised a whole generation of rappers who have placed Ghana on the map. The Gaia Queen raised the flag of entertainment because Adom near your culture niema is the guys who brought the entertainment on. You get it? Eja wo kan na otumo kakra fra. Why gonna say I'm going to say because of his efforts, only South Africa can boast of having more lyrical rappers than Ghana. Yo, give it up for Ghana! Woo! I love Nigeria. We all do. But if you remove MI and Vector, you are left with Afrobeat singers, Afrobeat slay queens. Omojitum. Sense or no sense, okay? Sense be for free Adam so sense Mr. Church you are preaching actually why the two mofo who advise una hey more than a decade the whole underlying decade maybe America to do something consistently no I na enye better maybe America said to get to the top is easy but to maintain it a problem no Yejina ya na so yejina msa bilaba eti no momon nsema Mr. Church waye ni na migusu ahwe kwa de abusuafo migusu a meko kuma sese me kacha muze me Matters of Uganda ho me hu wadaroma bia na wo so wo hwehwe me bi se na me hwehwe me bia watenka wo hwehwe me menye na Facebook, Instagram, TikTok me wo honum ni na trade so Sister Sandy be a guy with a blue tick hwehwe me na rua me die mu na ja number me fremo still on kwa there. It's very serious. It is very serious and you be preach here cause he say you be hu kwa there cha kwan say talented young guy say me je hu unless obi aye so be boa no e na anyi unless they said they have tried and it's failed. But send your sugar tone, papa. Opengi and open chiao. It's ni ba menim say Sister Sandy. Money Adom TV, mom na sugar tone ye mo no. Sana kwa de madaroma. Anu tini wa ha. Na entertainment aye bra. Emu pressure utimi kwa bodam. We are there for each other. Ye wo homa mo ntina ye wa ha. Because jeji ani. Temra so say wase ye boa. Ye so ye be jeji wani. Ti kwa de busua mesre mo. Me hwehwe mo papa. Just take a look at this. This is kwa there. Adi so no nom fra. So ye wo nom fra. Hono. Na chese pito na no de machies anopai. Pito na no de machies. Wo hene wo so boa ho na me so ye mo a wate. Ye sure say what ye den akasa de wote. Ye den a wote wadaroma. So boa ho pa. I try say be boa jan ne ma nonom. Jan nonom. Abusia me hwehwe mo. Very important. Go see Friday and week then na watch the message mama mentimon because this is a great talent. His style of rap ne be mad. He changed the game. Looking at more time quad there. The steez is just too much. Tienti me share e mani pasa sebi tafach and prejudice and say sir. Yeah, twas so a mebo shi akwa Nigeria. Omuni e be feel alright but chale. Your cousins ni omo. Your mama nuama in Nigeria. Bena boy, kofo ma pressure wo social ne so say wonye no ho. But be am bisa mo say sa niema no January wo nyini na hwan na ware nyini no wonyini biem. E na sister Sandy na ware o sister Sandy na ware o na hwan na se me ware a me nyini biem. Sister Sandy na wo sister Sandy na hwan na bisa mo say na sister Sandy kwa se me mienu miensa kwa be da hu. Enti bena boy na mo ma ne pressure ho. Se bra no enye na onwo kasia na etia tie kasia boy na chane nso bena oya speak oga.
Why haven't I had kids yet? Bro, because I don't want to have kids yet. Like, have you seen my operation, bro? Have you seen my mom, the way she loves me? Have you seen my dad, the way he loves me, bro? And the way like, bro, I know I can't give that to no one right now. With the life I live, you feel me? So, when I'm settled, when I'm a bit more settled and I can be there for my children every day, every single day, every minute of every fucking day, I'm not having no kids. You know? Real talk. That's just me. So that's just a personal.
Thank you, sir. The FFF not too much for this morning for that show now. Or ya carry on. Which mo e bonnet offer was so nyanya time. E person wo nyamre e manema. Na we ni age na so aka cha do for hwe no pay say. E ba no e ba wo ni ade ado kasa wo twen sika. O kasa wo twen time am. E be delay. E be delay. Nti sa wo akwanya ne nko e ba me nkoyi ngum aka cha mo nkwalai. E banku ade a kache mama ona na bi ofie kache grandma ba sepa se okoyi agudie yesu mo janka woni na sesa wa adua no pay what ye to asum asemo ti baby mama si asemo ne da sorry queen of papa ai mali shata ni new girl afefu Wafe front no shout man of congratulations intino e maybe sa me bibia e me sister Sandy na mesro pa me gusu a me no mogaduro se me kese ti me ma me problem bi a mesa adwene bibia e be ma me so ate ti mesro information ni na kwashata wale ni ma e wo Instagram di opeso hu bia odofo wa try to wate wa kanya ya chwo ni pe Wakania yatra wonipe shata wale mali afefro. It's moment congratulatory message shata edema ne wife ne girl ne odemano you remember.
Anybody wait to watch this video, let me tell my grandma, say I love him so much. I love him for the peaceful home way quick for me. I love him for has taken me. And most of all, I love him for his prayers. Marley, I love you so much, man. Daddy loves you. I just wanted to do this video for you. Fucking love you.
I know. I send way good news. I word the insure. Bible cracker. Some mama friend quite no mammy chain. Now you say no trying near on there. Wale, congratulations, big one. Pa. Yamin chawaba, and answer like on chawaba. Na Kwame Eugene Papa so now you and TSA wakanchinego over 10 months now. I feel no more date na babontin. Say you be Papa no cry. You know, lovers of Kwame Eugene, lovers of music and fans of the rock star. A year no share senia eti any. You best say we should post an so if you near kwa babontin say would ban quite say be see a chicken abo ye ni abre pa ye ni we yem ye ni abre yo. It's Mr. Alex Mafu, aka Kuku, 75 years. I back to 17th to 19th of May 2024. Yeah, the location shares from my bidi jollof. Yeah, the location shares from my bidi jollof. You know, Shishaya Kabia, I bet you go Adom TV so. Ede amamo. Ongoing beef now still no. Cost war social. So I can cut to it. No X no. The video, ni pebias. Sakwa de boni din. Was a beefy mo. David Onaji to be praise obede. Also, no one in this world fit her sakwadi. He will finish you. Big ups Ghana will be there. Sometime Papa. Who can fear na uhuri? Ghana will be there. Hey, yes. So Yate Yadase obio. Yasom one love. Yadasepe. Na Sana Debiano. Your supported talent, a pushy talent. Who new talent about system and it's no different. And it is no different. Mensaka T20 all the way from the central region. And what why was zoom so baby boy what you can than a camera no vertical. Emma mena yankasa vertical means vertical. V for vertical. Yanesama mena yanchechin komana mi who zoom ho. Na your fancy so T20 and your friend first time airplay and then you mean yeah bebo ewa has say for the very first time I will tell you we was sumo do a new video no it's on Adom TV and you know Mr. by order and vertical in anka on find your new hook T20 what here and can about your vertically no just vertical yourself na yankasa why vertical yourself. Sister Sandy, Sarah Pare, Mama Renwo, making money. I T20, and I'm in Sakan all the way from Central Region. Now Frank Boom Kakre, and I come on the way, such a nice song. Very, very dope song. T20, good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me?
Meta one kapa, Adom TV sooner away. What? Fix your camera near my matter. Vertical.
Like I want to put a earpiece, but I don't know what's happened. It's not coming well.
Oh yeah. Then the camera ni vertical, mommy. Na yenti me fan shisha so vertical.
Okay, me and vertical. Okay.
In your dema. Now in about 30 seconds. Why need T20? Will be all here for the first time. No, who is T20?
Yeah, T20 is a Western guy. You know, I come from West. I was born in the Western region, but grown up in the Cape Coast, Elmina, and just since my childhood, I love to sing and dancing. Until I found myself in the uptown and Europe here, you know, age of 17, 18, staying here for about 20 years now. Okay. And so it's something I like entertainment movement, you know, since day one.
T20, I hear now, I can't say if you are no pay.
Yeah, more Belgium, a European capital. In your Mel for no or a pap or what the matter. A pede pap for no mama. So I don't TV swinging at a. It's me come fantino, it's me country, bibia, oh ye. Once me dig already, more post and me pay was already.
Oh, me that say, me feel we a nice guy, very very dope.
Thank you.
It's say music, you know, wo be mu full vim, and I say wo dey be that die na ya saka kra no waja ye ho.
No man, you know, I'm in the deal. I'm in the business, you know. And the songs in my EP, me catch me road manager no company. And you me that more people na I feel I'm be cinema me be there.
A release ning
I want to come and come and you know put some smile in the face of the people. Because I say industry, you know, still it's hot. People are in it, but I feel say they need more new faces and new songs. You know, my body are hot.
No correct. Now, hey, there boy, you know, ties ready then.
Hey, money.
Money.
You know,
ebe pesike. Ebe pesike.
No. If you have no more code, no, I don't more code apart from God, you know. More money, more code we are in Sika. And talk about the money.
Sika, Titon and NHN Comono, West Side, I say. Modi eni mo soni mo ma me pa nyom no ne boy money o chema o new tracks obeso release the entertaining Ghanaians. They said we akodi Belgium. No any message for people I feel no more back T20 fans no ehwa.
Oh yeah, I'm trying to edge that. I have some couple of fans. I have couple people that they knows me and they love me. Here in Belgium, I'm very popular here because of the church. I am not I didn't go in Belgium. I have but T20. A lot of people know me, especially Pentecost. I'm not talking about the church, but remember example there. I have Badwam got in Papa.
Oh, okay.
Now, upon Ghana one down and see I become a new, so I just want a new friends. Okay. I'm urging anybody who's listening to me this morning. They will be all telling me there. I want to be your friend, so be my friend. You know.
Okay. Yes. Now social media, I don't mobile handles ne kwa enche. Now after no watch baby I be hunyum we money no. Why release him? Him say first time airplay our Adom TV. So this is the first time I hear who video yet. But after Adom TV no, I hear Fabian ne be hunyum no.
Oh, and you know baby all the app everywhere.
Digital platforms.
But you're playing a big promotion, so all the radio stations in Ghana and the TV stations, they are going to see us, they are going to hear me because we are doing a big promotion. I like Adom TV now, Adom, I am Adom, and then the first year, first place, I almost share, and I say, I mean, no one can the plan, so I'm show on the pay.
Nice.
But the whole Ghana, me feel the makers say, Kumasifu show, Cape Coast, Takradi, and Mina as well, Mangasim.
Yeah, so
baby,
so this is home, Tony. Anytime, just knock your baby Eddie. Great song, great talent. Yeah, that's if you sign up or back on social media handles and not find our ways.
Yeah, TikTok, T20, because of rebranded, so it's a TWE. Tony, that's a T. Tony is a TONIE. Echo Facebook the same T20. Instagram the same T20.
Okay.
YouTube the same T20.
Okay. Yate, that's if you sign up a join it. Yeah, best I born you many people now. Thanks for joining.
Mama come last word now.
Inyo.
Men check safe me sorry.
Fatodo.
Me check when na so me put me catch on there. I want all Ghanaians to join me because you know, Sisiano, Madino Kono, you know me say no Madino so preach. Sometimes I saw who laptop and say telephone company or be from India, Pakistan, whatever name but because of sharing and helping all the people, no one hour about who found out with them. Okay. So we need the people. So all the super fans of all the stars of Ghana, I also need you to be my friend, please. So join me and help me to come out big, you know. Okay, T20, we're there for you all day. You will have for the talents. All the very best, and thank you for joining. Thank you so much too. Thank you for having me. Okay, T20 ni anena achoche in common no Ghanaian base or Belgium honoma West Side. I say we're dropping money to make up our Saboka craft for Jaya Quina yentie T20 new track no. Try again, we go try another one. Make money. Take money. No, bring it down. To all you ladies out there, make sure they do what is right to make it that money, you know. Don't expect any man to bring you money, man. You know what your mama give it to you. Aye.
Yeah.
T-Tony money. If you know call back to Adom TV, so sir, big shout outs to Kim P and big shout outs to my boss, Kobe Eshon, for making this happen. I'm the guys queen, yeah, the best see. Now yeah, Jamakwan, I make catch us. Radio just got better with the guys. To say if you had be Adom FM 10 a.m. to 12. The guys is on. Big shout out to OPD and Joshua Tigo TT for making this happen. So the guys, a bit me aye adwuma ni abefa me. Say me kwa Adom FM. Me pon ha me ginem e wo 10 to 12. Tune in on Adom 106.3 and be my guest. I'm the guys Queen Sarah Parry, I'm a director. I'm Ampoma Biggles, I'm a producer. Fruit wa ha, Masa Adom wa ha, Frank wa ha, and any in a vote nation or when I try me ho e share. I'm the guys, we share more chroma. Fabum, Fama make us make money. Fabum, my crowd.